guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you 10 ideas of what to do during Christmas time. The first thing I had for the 10 things to do during Christmas time is first, see Christmas lights. And I went to my neighborhood Christmas show, and this is in Demarest, New Jersey, and it's a fundraiser and Christmas show. They have the lights all around this guy's house, and you can also donate money to this cancer awareness foundation that he created because his mom had cancer and passed away with it. So here's a clip from that. Oh, these kids! Okay, I'm gonna stop it. To do during Christmas season is bake cookies, and I love baking so much. I made so many cookies this day. It was just so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. So here's that. Next is to drink hot cocoa. Let me get mine. Okay, so not everyone likes hot cocoa, so that's why I have tea. But just drink something warm. Have a warm drink. Snuggle up with a pillow and a blanket. Have a great time with your hot drink because it'll keep you warm during the cold time. My next item is going to the city. Either New York City or whatever city is local near you. And I went to the city the other day with my dad, and we saw the lights, we saw Madison Square. We saw the Rockefeller Center tree, we saw Bryant Park ice skating rink and everything like that, and the little shops in Bryant Park, and it was so pretty. So here's a clip of the little shops. And here's a clip of the tree and ice skating rink.
That horse is powerful.
Go, Bogart, Dad, Bogart. We gotta chase it. Why?
Yeah.
Next activity is to go shopping, and a lot of people love shopping, and that's not what this is all about. But if you go with your family and your friends and you have a great time, then it's worth it.
What is this about? So
Look at
he
me.
sits down,
Hold this right here.
shore, and he said, I am not homeless.
I think it
I
fits.
need you to believe that I am not homeless, and I am.
Also, another great activity is hanging out with your friends, hanging out with your family. Either one is a great time to do that. So go do that. getting something as simple as a pillow or Christmas lights. I'll show you my Christmas lights over there in a second. After you decorate your room, wrap some presents. I wrap my presents right here for the day, so I will show you that right here. Next thing to do is set up your Christmas tree. Mine's outside on my porch, so I will show you my Christmas tree all lit up. And hopefully when it snows on Christmas, it'll look so beautiful. And last thing to do is snuggle up in your cozy sweater, grab a blanket, grab a hot drink, some pillows, recline, and set a fire in your fire pit and have a great time with your family and friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's all the cool 10 things to do when it's Christmas season, and yeah.